My name is Travis.
My name is Alfred.
And we help online business owners make more money using Google Ads. And I quit my corporate job 8 years ago, and I used Google Ads to scale my first online business from $0 to $4 million in revenue. And I started working with Alfred because he spent over $1 million of his own money on Google Ads. He scaled his first online business to over $2.7 million in his first year. He spent in total over $300 million for different companies on Google Ads, and he's one of the top 100 advertising and marketing leaders in 2020, owns one of the top 50 advertising marketing companies of 2020, and honestly, he's someone I really just like working with, and he has a passion for helping online businesses make more money. And Alfred, you want to tell people your story and how you got started with this?
I first got started over 10 years ago when I quit my job out of college. In 2012, I started my first company and I scaled it to $2.7 million in less than a year, strictly just using Google Ads. And after that, I've worked with over 200 companies and helped them scale past 7 figures using Google Ads. Overall, I have over $300+ million in advertising spent under my belt.
And we started Next Level Google Ads to help people like you to take their business to the next level using Google Ads and paid traffic. But this company and the programs we offer are more than just about Google Ads. It's really much more in depth, and I'll let Alfred explain.
And just like Travis said, this is more than just about Google Ads. Because if you want to take your business to the next level, you need to make sure that you have all the puzzle pieces in play.
And a successful business is an emergent property. And what that means is it's not just one thing, it's having all the different pieces together. So you can have your Google Ads optimized, but if your landing page and your website aren't properly optimized, it's not going to work. So this program, it encompasses everything. And just like a car can have an extremely powerful engine, but if it doesn't have tires, if it doesn't have a transmission, you're not gonna get very far. The same is true with Google Ads, and that's what we really go into depth about, is how do you get all the different pieces working together and harmonizing so you can get to that next level.
So here at Next Level Google Ads, we teach you about Google Ads search, Google Ads shopping, YouTube ads, and more. But we also teach you about the fundamentals and principles of direct response marketing, digital marketing, so you can take your business to the next level. And here at Next Level Google Ads, we've made it our mission to help 20 business owners double the size of their business this year alone in 2021.
The first advanced Google Ads secret is to target your Google Ads in certain locations. This is going to allow you to spend less money to get qualified people to your website.
Now the second secret is enabling search partners. Now this allows you to show your ads on search partner websites like YouTube, Amazon, and other search partners. Secret number 3 is conversion tracking. Now with conversion tracking, you'll be able to track which keywords are converting and which ads are working.
Secret number 4 is to use Google Shopping. And if you're selling a product, this allows you to show up on the top of the search results. And it's one of the most powerful ways I've found to use e-commerce. Secret number 5 is to do YouTube ads, and this allows you to show your ad on YouTube. Secret number 6 is to optimize your landing page, because you can spend a lot of money on Google Ads, get a lot of people to your website, but if your landing page, if your product page, if your website is not properly optimized, you're gonna waste all that money. And we're gonna give you a ton of secrets on how to optimize your landing page. And the last thing we're gonna share is the biggest reason I've seen beginners fail with Google Ads, and that is that they don't properly optimize and review their Google Ads. And at the end of this video, we're gonna share with you how you can review your Google Ads account and how you can optimize it so that you can spend less money, make more money in sales, and ultimately be able to beat your competitors. And specifically, there's 3 hacks when it comes to reviewing and optimizing your Google Ads that we're gonna share with you at the end of this video.
Now these are 3 simple things that you can do right now.
And I built a business from $0 to $4 million using Google Ads. Alfred took a business from $0 to $2.7 million in just 1 year using Google Ads. And this list is everything we wish we would have known when we first started on Google Ads. The first secret is to use location targeting. Now, location targeting allows you to pick exactly where you want your ads to show up for. For instance, you can say, I want my ads to show up for the entire United States or Australia or specific places like California, Los Angeles, even as far down as zip codes. And if you have a local business, you're gonna wanna make sure you use location targeting.
Location targeting also allows you to add negative locations. So you can add locations that you don't want your ads to show up in.
Location targeting is also helpful if you find that people in certain areas are more likely to buy your product. Secret number 2 is to enable search partners. And Alfred and I have slightly different experiences with this. I usually have unchecked search partners because I find it not to be as profitable. Where Alfred likes to check it because he finds it to be extremely profitable. This is something that you absolutely want to test.
Search partners allows your ads to show up on partner websites like YouTube and Amazon. And you'll be able to tell exactly which search partner websites your ads are making money on.
This allows your ads to get even more exposure, but you're going to want to be careful and you're going to want to test, does that extra exposure cost too much money? Is it profitable? And the answer is going to be different for everyone.
And the great thing with Google Ads is you'll be able to tell which search partners are profitable. Now, secret number 3 is conversion tracking. Conversion tracking is super important because without conversion tracking, you don't know which keywords or which ads are converting.
By setting up conversion tracking, you're going to easily be able to see which of your ads are working, which of your landing pages are working, and you can double down on the ones that are working, spend more money on ads, and you can also turn off the ones that aren't working. Secret number 4 is to set up Google Shopping. And Google Shopping is one of the most powerful different types of ads that you can run with Google Ads. Specifically, if you're selling a physical product, you need to use these. And why it's so powerful is it allows you to show up on the top of the search results and show an image of the product that you're selling along with the price of what the product you're selling is. And with Google Ads, you only pay money when someone clicks on your ad. And the truth is, someone's only likely to click on this ad if they like the product that's shown in the image and if they're willing to pay the price that they see before they click on it. And this is going to get you highly qualified traffic to your website of people that are actually looking to buy your product.
And Google Shopping becomes even more powerful when you combine it with Google Ads search.
Because if you're showing up for Google Shopping and you're showing up with Google Search, you're taking up a lot of the real estate, a lot of the Google search results page.
Now, what he means by that is your ads are going to be shown at the top and it's going to push down your competitor ads all the way at the bottom.
Secret number 5 is YouTube ads. And you can run YouTube ads through the Google Ads website. And this is an extremely powerful type of ad, and it allows you to show a video clip promoting your product, your website, your business, your service in the middle of YouTube videos, before YouTube videos. And YouTube is the second largest search engine. There is a lot of eyeballs on YouTube, people looking to buy your products, and you can target exactly where you want your ad to show up on. You can target things like individual videos, you can target channels, you can even show up in the top of search results on YouTube or on the YouTube homepage.
Secret number 6 is optimizing your landing page. One of the easiest things you could do right now is optimize your page speed. Because if your page is taking too long to load, people are gonna bounce off of your website.
And keep in mind, when you're running Google Ads, it's a funnel. Meaning, if you get 100 clicks to your website, the next part of the funnel is how many people actually convert. Because if you're spending $100 per click and only one person purchases of those 100 people, you're spending $100 per sale. Now on the flip side, if you can get a website that converts a lot higher, for every 100 clicks, let's say you could get 10 people that purchase, you're only spending $10 per sale.
Google Ads is just the first half. Optimizing your landing page is the second. Think of it as before the click and after the click.
And there's a lot of other things other than just page speed you can do to optimize your landing page. You can think about the title. Is your add to cart button or your buy button above the fold? Is the main image that you have, is that a high quality main image? There's so many different things you can test, but ultimately you need to make it as easy as possible for people when they come to your website to actually give you money.
You can also test different call to actions, adding different incentives like discount codes.
And the last secret, and one of the biggest reasons so many beginners fail when it comes to Google Ads, is you need to make sure that once you start running your Google Ads, review and optimize them. Now, the way that I like to do this is 1, look at all your different ads, look at what keywords are actually leading to sales, increase the bid on those, look at what keywords are not leading to sales, decrease the bid on those, and also look for negative keywords. And to find negative keywords, look for the keywords that when someone searches for in Google, they don't buy your product or service, they don't pay you any money, and then use those as negative keywords.
Now, Google Ads isn't a set it and forget it. The easiest way for you to review and optimize your Google Ads campaigns is to create a weekly and monthly optimization routine.
And Alfred and I did an in-depth hour-long training showing you all these secrets in detail that you can get for free just by clicking right here. In that training, we're also going to include a free checklist to make sure that you don't miss any of these different advanced features that we've talked about. So click right here to get that free training and to get the checklist 100% for free.